So ChatGPT is taking over the globe and it's all I see on the internet, but we thought, why don't we sit around here and mess with it? Not just normal ChatGPT, but using something called Code Interpreter. We'll take a bunch of data and then we'll see whether it can actually interpret that data using that Code Interpreter thing. Sounds good? What do you want to do?
We have the data of the stocks from Nifty 50.
Right.
Why don't we ask ChatGPT which are the top 5 best performing stocks which you can invest in?
Okay, cool. So what we did was, obviously, we have this piece of data with a bunch of columns. We'll take that data and see if we can manipulate it to find whether we can get good stocks or not. And I'll load that data. I'll tell you what, why don't you do it? And you do it alongside him. So I'll turn this around and you do this yourself and I'll walk you through it. But before we begin, hit that like and subscribe, because if you don't do this, we won't do shit like this and we won't have fun, and neither will you. So hit that like and subscribe button. So the first step is you need to go to ChatGPT, but this time go to ChatGPT 4. And over here, we have something called Code Interpreter already launched as a plugin. Okay, now what I want you to do is click on the plus button and add data. I just showed you where the data is, so we'll load that data up. But before we open this archive.zip, can you actually show us what is the file? Okay, so this is the file, Adani, Bajaj, Eicher, Hindalco. Open any one of them, one of the files. Okay, what do you see? What data do you see?
There is open, high, low, close, last. There is volume, there is deliverable percentage and VWAP.
Correct. And turnover is also there. So we have price data and we also have deliverable data. Deliverable data is interesting. 100 shares are traded in a day. It could be all of them are intraday. A percentage of them is actually deliverable, as in log delivery mein le rahe hain to actually hold long term in their demat account. So if a stock has a high deliverable percentage, that means a lot of investors want to hold it for a long period of time.
Oh, okay.
So please, you know this already. So we have that data and we can see in what stock most people are willing to invest for a longer time versus just intraday trade it.
Good.
So anyway, go back to ChatGPT and let's load this up.
Okay, so we can ask the ChatGPT to do something right now.
Okay, what do you want it to do?
Let's ask it to rank the best stocks.
Best stocks on the basis of price going up?
Yeah, price returns.
Okay, this is not a great way to choose a stock, but okay. Rank the best.
Top 5?
Top 5, okay. It says that I can see it's a zip file. I'll begin extracting the zip file. That's cool, man. And I'll start reading. So it's asking what time frame do you want? Last 1 year, 5 years. So we say, okay, use all the data. So I guess returns since inception. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. It's like you're talking to an actual person, but it can read a bunch of data you don't want to. BPCL. Okay, now it knows that there is open, high, low, close volume. And we'll be focusing on close price. Let's calculate the last 5, the top 5 based on returns. Damn, dude.
Here the interesting thing is, we don't need to give ChatGPT the formula or anything for calculating how returns are calculated.
It'll figure it out.
It'll figure it out and do it for us. And it can handle errors as well. So it found an error, but it is solving the error itself.
That's crazy. So it found that some of the data didn't have columns filled up. So you're like, ठीक है, हम इसको हटा के, we'll clean up the data and then process it. Damn. Actually, if you do this on AmiBroker or Python, you have to actually run and explain Python ki kya fix karna hai. And it will take, for me, days to actually clean up the data. Okay, here we have it. She Cement is 43,000 return. My God. If any of you have these stocks, please write in the comments, because rich man. Good, or woman.
Okay. These are, I think, the top 5 stocks based on returns. But I think investable, should we add delivery percentage?
Yeah, so now we have these stocks where the price is going up.
Correct.
So you're saying we'll add?
Delivery percentage as well.
Okay, so the ones with the highest delivery percentage and the highest returns, let's rank it based on that. कि लोग इसको intraday नहीं trade कर रहे थे, लोग इसको hold करके long term के लिए hold करते and the price is going up.
Correct.
Cool. It's interesting that we didn't explain what deliverable percentage is. Like Let's see if it understands what it is. Percentage delivered volume. Yeah, it understands it.
So it's doing a combination of both.
Let's start by examining the distribution of the deliverable percentage for one of the stocks to understand the range. So it takes sample data, shows you the sample data, and then does the entire analysis. So BPCL from 5% to 100% with a mean value, average value 44%. तो हम consider करेंगे कि high है. Damn good.
So it has asked us, for simplicity, shall we equally weight the returns and delivery percentage? We can give it a weightage as well.
This means it was saying जो अभी latest data उसमें ज़्यादा weightage दे दे, or should we give equal weightage? So equal weightage. Yeah, let's just not do a weightage.
If you have specific
Preference for the weighting, let me know. No,
equal weight
is fine.
is fine.
Let's proceed by calculating a composite score. So composite is price going up and
Deliverable. 50-50.
Nice. We'll equally weight these 50% each. So they've weighted these things and they'll make a...
Correct. So it's working right now. Hopefully something.
Why do you need to pay for a screener when you have ChatGPT now? Here's the top 5 composite volume, Shree Cement composite score. Okay, wow.
Okay, I noticed it has done something cheeky here.
Huh.
These are the same 5 stocks we got just
Yeah,
with the
yeah.
returns as well.
Correct,
They
correct.
have not changed.
So see, technical analysts love trends, and so do fundamental guys.
Yes.
So is it a way that we can say जहाँ पे price भी ऊपर जा रहा है and deliverable भी ऊपर जा रहा है? Should we add a prompt for that? Deliverable volume trend, delivering percentage trend, and rank based on that. How we to calculate the percentage trend, we'll need to define how we define the trend. A common approach is fit a linear regression model.
Yes.
Oh my god, we're doing linear regression and all now. Here's what we'll do. Price trend will fit a linear regression. Achha, I did it. I didn't even ask.
Yes.
Deliverable trend will fit a linear regression model. Ranking, we'll calculate a composite score and we'll do it. Damn, man. He's like a really smart intern. Really smart intern. I say intern because we're not paying it. So. Okay, so they found an issue because कहीं पे deliverable volume का data ही नहीं है.
Correct.
So they said we'll handle these missing volumes. The standard approach is to use a statistical mean. That may not be the right way to actually do it. But ठीक है, let's just see what we get. Ideally, we should ask it not to do it and just remove those stocks from the...
So yeah, this has been done for BPCL as the sample.
Yeah, this is perfect. So we found a positive slope. Dude, मैं बताऊँ ना, we could not have done this on our own.
So now it is calculating the top 5 stocks with highest positive trends in both. Even for trend, notice how they've taken the composite trend. The composite trend means they've given equal weightage to
everyone.
automatically.
It's the same stocks coming again and again, dude.
No, the little change this time. Interesting. Okay, there is a small change. We saw Bajaj Finance go out, Bajaj Finserv come in, and there is Nestle that has come in extra.
I also noticed the first 3 are very high price stocks, which means that intraday guys won't come in because volume is low and the price is too high.
Correct.
So by default, an MRF could have also been here because the price is too much, right? The famous reason why Berkshire Hathaway's stock never did a split is for this only. So there's no speculation. A person just spends a few $100,000 on a share. So try this, no? Let's remove that bias and say select stocks which are less than 2,000 in price. We'll take closing price less than 2,000. Dude, this is amazing. Okay, so BPCL, Reliance, Bharti Airtel, ONGC, VDL, Hindalco, ICICI Bank. Achha, it did 10, last 10, is it?
No, I think it's listing down all.
Oh crap! Oh my god! Can you stop generating it? Oh, we didn't say top 5 this time. Now select only the top 5. Go. Yeah, send it. I think let's add one more thing. So we have positive price, we have positive delivered volume. Let's add one more thing. Ki volume bhi upar ja raha hai over a long period of time. And you can use VWAP. So say that if VWAP ka trend is positive. The point we're trying to make is very simple. You can take a bunch of data, code interpreter can actually interpret it, do all of the math for you, and you can focus on the creative part. Versus thinking कि अब मैं language सीखूं, ये सीखूं. It can do all that legwork for you.
So we have new stocks.
We have new stocks now, right? Oh wow. Okay, so now let's add the VWAP. Oh, nice. To that composite rank. Nice. Nice. Very cool. We'll fit it in a linear regression model. We'll do a composite score. Shall we proceed? Yes. It doesn't. It's not waiting. It says, shall we proceed? Kar diya.
So it has given us. It is calculated equally weighted on the price trend, deliverable trend, and VWAP trend.
Yeah, equal weight.
Equal weight.
Oh, it changed this time, dude. So now you have Reliance, ICICI Bank, SBI, Axis, HDFC. Oh. Okay. So I think we learned 3 things.
Sir, I want to do one more experiment.
Tell me.
By looking at top 5, it's very obvious all top 5 are banks.
Yeah.
Shall we look at the worst 5?
The worst 5. Okay, go ahead. कि सब कुछ नीचे जा रहा है. Why would you do this? Do you want to do an anti this thing that price is going up, delivery is going up, but VWAP is going down or something like that? Or some combination like that.
Interesting.
So you'll get a contrarian, or just do price going down and everything's going up. Delivery volume is going up, volume is also going up, but price नीचे गिर रहा है. ठीक है. By the way, this doesn't mean you should buy these stocks. We're just messing around with you because even we don't know how this works. We're just having fun and seeing what it does. Meanwhile, I think you should pause, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and also write in the comments below what other kinds of data could we do. Like imagine doing this with ROC or P ratio or any other thing out there, right? And I wonder, can it track like price patterns? Can it actually draw a trend line? I don't know. But do you want us to run an entire series using code interpreter to see what else can this tool actually do? And you have written, okay, a negative price trend, positive deliverable, and positive VWAP trend, top 5. Nice.
So basically, now we are looking for the price is going down. But delivery percentage is going up and volumes are going up.
For some reason, people are continuously buying this. And the most out of all the stocks. This is Nifty 50 data.
Nifty 50 data.
So that will be interesting. So the one thing you notice over here is that ChatGPT can do great data analysis and even explain what that data means. What it can't do is forecasting. And many people over here will think कि यार मैं ChatGPT से पूछ लूँगा which one do I buy? Don't do that. It cannot forecast price. It cannot tell you what to buy. Its job is just as a data interpreter. Don't give it anything beyond that. If we hit 2,000 likes on this video, we'll actually buy some data, use code interpreter and create an actual portfolio end to end and see whether we can create a hidden gems portfolio. Good target. Like the bow.
It's really weird waiting for this to do something and we're doing nothing.
कभी ऐसे नाराज नहीं होता है ना कि ज्यादा काम करा रहे हैं.
ChatGPT knows what we are.
और कैसे चलने का?
It's fine. Sorry, भूख लग रहा है मुझे.
If
Create a hidden portfolio gems क्या होता है? Hidden gems portfolio. Hidden gems portfolio.